Hi my darlings, welcome to Naz Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great. Hello my English learners and welcome to Naz Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at perfectly right place. Today I'm going to correct some of the sentences that you are not using in an accurate manner. So let's get into it without wasting any time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe to my channel. So, don't say open the blanket. You can say unfold the blanket. Unfold the blanket. Don't say open the hair. You can say put your hair down. Put your hair down. Don't say close the light. You can say turn off the light. Turn off the light. Don't say open the light. You can say turn on the light. Turn on the light. Don't say I did a mistake. You can say I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Don't say my head is paining. You can say I have a headache. I have a headache. Don't say pass out the exam. You can say pass the exam. Pass the exam. If you're talking to a stranger and asking for something to borrow, you can say, rather than saying give me a pen, you can say, could you give me a pen please? Could you give me a pen please? To sound more polite, you add the words like please and thank you. Don't say he's elder than me. You can say he's older than me. He's older than me. Don't say I'm having a car. You can say I have a car. I have a car. Don't say do the party tomorrow. You can say have the party tomorrow. Have the party tomorrow. Don't say discuss about the problem. You can say discuss the problem. Discuss the problem. You see how these minor changes in your conversation helping you sound more proficient. So these petite changes will help you to sound more professional. Try to use these ones. Don't say order me a coffee. You can say order a coffee for me. Order a coffee for me. Say return back the money. You can say return the money because return itself means back. So don't say return back. You can simply say return. Don't say prepone the meeting. You can say move the meeting earlier. Move the meeting earlier. Don't say my salary is less. You can say my salary is low. My salary is low. Don't say I'm eating medicines. You can say I'm taking medicines. I'm taking medicines. Don't say she told me to shut the fan. You can say she told me to turn off the fan. She told me to turn off the fan. Don't say he's very brilliant in maths. You can say he's very good at maths. He's very good at maths. Don't say I didn't understood. You can say I didn't understand. I didn't understand. Always you will use did, you will use base form, which is the first form. Don't say there is less people here. You can say there are fewer people here. There are fewer people here, not less people. Don't say I'm waiting since an hour. You can say I've been waiting for an hour. I've been waiting for an hour. Always whenever you'll talk about the timeless, you'll use have been, has been, or with the since and for. Since will be used when you will talk about a specific point of time, but for is used for the unspecific point of time. But here they are saying for an hour. We don't know which hour they're talking about. If they'll say last hour, then you can say since last an hour. Don't say make a photo. You can say take or capture a photo. Take or capture a photo. Don't say he gave an exam yesterday. You can say he took an exam yesterday. He took an exam yesterday. Don't say I'm feeling boring. You can say I'm bored. I'm bored. Hey, are you learning something from this video? What are you waiting for? Go and smash the like button and subscribe button too. Let's get into it. Don't say I've done my graduation. You can say I graduated. I graduated. You tell me if you watch this video carefully. What can we say rather than saying make a photo? Write down the correct one in the comment section. Don't forget to follow us on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. If you want more videos like that, what are you waiting for? Go and show your love and support for Anna's Learning Corner. See you in the next video. Bye bye.